The Institute of Materials Science, also known as IMS, at the University of Connecticut was established in 1965 by the Connecticut General Assembly. In addition to its commitment to superior graduate education, the Institute operates an outstanding advanced materials research center. It fulfills its outreach mission by providing educational programs and a variety of technical and scientific services to industry. In fact, IMS often serves as a research arm for industry, assisting with research and development of new materials and processes. To minimize their financial risk, industry utilizes our team of experts and our state-of-the-art instrumentation for research and development of new materials and processes. Long-term and mid-term needs are met by sponsoring graduate research supervised by a specific faculty member. Short-term projects are handled by the Associates Program staff and consulting faculty. Since 1974, the IMS Associates Program has provided companies with limited, direct, and convenient access to the resources of the Institute of Materials Science, including research and development projects of limited scope and short courses. The Associates Program also facilitates the investigation of manufacturing issues. Common requests involve analysis of product and process difficulties, failure analysis, and troubleshooting of raw materials. Requests typically involve the application of faculty and staff expertise, as well as materials characterization. Feasibility studies for new or enhanced research programs and brainstorming sessions are also possible. Typically, industry representatives start by discussing the details of a problem or research objective with IMS faculty and staff.
Okay, Ed, the problem I emailed you about is with a OLED device that we're having manufactured. The initial products were fine, but when our vendors scaled up, we ran into some difficulty.
Together, they generate an investigative plan. Tests are then performed at IMS, at the Industrial Partners Lab, or other locations.
I think we have a plan. Starting next week, we will do some testing here at IMS on the best and the worst of your samples. We'll test the samples by optical profilometry and perhaps XPS, depending on what we learn from the profilometry test.
Ed, that sounds like a good plan. I should have my data gathered together by the end of next week.
Expert analysis guides changes in materials, specifications, purchasing practices, or manufacturing processes. The Institute has faculty members from more than 20 different academic departments, including chemistry, physics, chemical engineering, materials science and engineering, polymer science, pharmacy, molecular and cell biology, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, biomaterials, and biosciences. They provide an invaluable resource for advice, analysis, and creative brainstorming. IMS is home to a multi-million-dollar laboratory complex of shared access instrumentation dedicated to materials science. Full-service labs specialize in materials characterization such as optical and electron microscopy, mechanical testing, X-ray diffraction, surface analysis, rheology, thermal analysis, and spectroscopy. Each shared characterization lab is managed by research staff members with many years of experience working with the instrumentation and with their application to both research and industrial projects. Additional instrumentation is housed in the numerous research labs throughout IMS. Membership in the IMS Associates Program fosters an intimate, long-term working relationship through which IMS becomes an integral part of a company's technical team and a problem-solving partner. Services are also available on an individual project basis. The Institute of Materials Science has repeatedly provided companies with the expertise and analytical capabilities required to solve critical materials problems.
Hello, my name is Don Nicholson. I'm a project development engineer at 3M. I first visited the University of Connecticut's Institute of Materials Science in 1997. My company, which was then called Aero, had just joined the Associates Program, and a group of us were just really impressed with the level of research that was being conducted here, as well as the variety of test equipment that would now be available to help us with our problems and projects. And through their efforts over time, both my company and our customers have benefited greatly. This has just been a very beneficial program for everyone involved, and I'd recommend it to anyone.
Hi, I'm Jim Olson from Teleflex Medical. Our company joined the Associates Program in 1991, and we have been in continuous membership for 19 years. Our company has no trouble justifying the annual membership based on the great value that we receive in technical help each year. When timing is critical, the IMS Associates Program becomes a friend indeed.
For more information about the IMS Associates Program, please contact Ed Kurz or Fiona Leake.